Ever pondered why Bitcoin, merely a digital form of money, is constantly in the news? Welcome to the complex yet thrilling world of trading, a place where fortunes can either be built or lost within seconds. Trading, at its heart, is about buying and selling. But what exactly are we trading? The answer is Bitcoin, a digital entity that has transformed our perception of money and introduced us to the groundbreaking blockchain technology. Stick with us as we delve deeper into these intriguing and, at times, complex financial dimensions. And remember, if you're finding this content interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. From initially being dismissed as a fleeting trend to evolving into a significant force in the financial landscape, Bitcoin's journey has been remarkable. So, what is Bitcoin? At its most basic, it's a digital currency, often referred to as a cryptocurrency. The unique aspect of cryptocurrencies is their absence of a central bank or authority, a characteristic that distinguishes them from traditional currencies, such as the dollar, the euro, or the yen. Every Bitcoin transaction is validated by network nodes using complex cryptographic techniques, and once approved, these transactions are permanently recorded in a public distributed ledger, widely known as a blockchain. The immense significance of Bitcoin lies in its capacity to disrupt traditional financial systems. It presents a decentralized currency, free from any government or financial institution's control. This means that transactions can be carried out without the need for middlemen, such as banks or payment processors. Bitcoin, in its core, is an innovative and unpredictable financial instrument, the navigation of which requires both understanding and prudence. If you're finding this content helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Imagine being able to change your financial circumstances. Imagine having the power to direct your financial future towards prosperity. Many have done just that, finding their route to financial freedom and even wealth with our affiliate product. Don't just rely on our word. Numerous testimonials and reviews validate the success of our affiliate product. Users have reported substantial financial growth, with some even achieving the dream of financial independence. Our affiliate product is not just a guide, it's a detailed blueprint for wealth creation. It encompasses everything from investment strategies to financial planning, providing you with the tools you need to amass wealth. So, if you're ready to seize control of your financial destiny, join the ranks of those who have achieved financial freedom with our affiliate product. Your journey to wealth could commence today. Remember, the secret to wealth is not just earning money, it's making your money work for you. So take the first step towards a financially secure future. Invest in yourself. If you appreciate our content, please subscribe and stay tuned for more from this lab. See you later. If you're keen on more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe.